Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome. Okay, so today we're gonna be testing out a recipe from BuzzFeed. This recipe is for honey balsamic chicken. So guys, without further ado, let's get into it.
Perfect.
So that's it guys. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below. Try it out yourself as well and see what you think of it. As for me, I think I like it. Until next time, bye.